Now, there have been many revelations about the OnePlus 13T on the internet, and this time we were fortunate enough to get our hands on the real device. Let's take a look at how it earned its title as the Little Screen Demon King. Firstly, this time around, there are 3 color options available. The main color, periwinkle pink, is not as intense as before, which I believe will appeal to many people. The new coral velvet glass process gives the phone a soft, plush feel that is very delicate and doesn't attract fingerprints easily. The metal frame remains intact, complementing the familiar R2 design. It can be said that it has a slight bend, but it's not excessive. There have also been significant changes to the camera module. Instead of the previous circular design, it now features a square shape. How would you rate this change? With a small screen size of 6.3 inches, which is considered the golden standard for compact devices compared to the mainstream 6.7-inch screens, it offers an exceptionally portable experience. You can comfortably hold it in one hand while commuting, or even make an OK gesture with it. The traditional 3-stage switch has also been updated with new features. In addition to the ability to toggle between different modes using sound effects, it now supports various custom functions. Overall, the appearance of the OnePlus 13T seems quite impressive. Currently, the biggest challenge with small screen phones is often sacrificing performance for size. For example, they may only have a single rear camera lens, limited battery life, or heat dissipation, etc. However, this time around, the OnePlus 13T appears to strike a good balance across all aspects. We'll have to wait for further reviews to confirm these claims.